This is my own quote I came up with. Action leads to more action. Inaction leads to more inaction. This personally affects your life, your business life, and your results. Action leads to more action. The smallest of the least of the disciplines practiced each and every single day compounds into you getting results, making progress, seeing change, seeing a positive outcome. But first, you need to practice the habit of taking action. Why? Habits need to become automatically or naturally, like making up your bed, brushing your teeth, going for a shower, going for a walk. Those are all natural habits that occurred after a long period of time. The same with action in your business. Those things have to become automatic, whereby you do not need to listen to motivational, inspirational videos on when to get fired up to take action, or when to feel courageous and confident enough to take the risky steps in your business. Action is a vote of the person you want to become. What you have to do, stand for, represent the contribution, the service you are rendering to the marketplace. Action equals more action, and that equals consistency and results flooding in over a certain period of time. Number two, inaction leads to more inaction. The more you are putting things off and delaying, that leads to inaction, which is very risky. Inaction over a certain period of time leads to you procrastinating, and you putting things off and you delaying each and every time. And over a long period of time, you will become lazy, and you will tell yourself, oh well, but I'm lazy. Why? You are not disciplined with the smallest of the disciplines each and every single day. You beating yourself around the bush thinking you are busy. Busyness do not work. Busyness equals laziness. You need to take a step back and analyze your business and ask yourself, what can I do today to be sufficient, to be highly productive, doing the menial or the meaningful tasks that can make a significant impact, service, and I can start seeing results flooding in. Remember, inaction leads to more inaction, and this is the reason I failed in 5 businesses due to inaction. You need to stay focused. Where you put your focus is where you will get your results. So remember this quote: action leads to more action, inaction leads to more inaction. Thank you, and you're welcome.